Hey guys, Machines Mal here. Just wanted to show you this Honda Rider Mower I got. It's a little windy today, it's why we're inside the barn, and the microphone on this phone picks up a lot of wind noise when I'm outside, so I figured I'd make a video inside. It's a little dark, but you get the general idea. This is a little HT-R 3009. I think that means it's a 30-inch cut with a 9 horsepower engine. I picked this up last year off a local buy and sell website for a couple $100. It's got a crack in the bagger kit. You can see someone's tried to fix that, so I'm gonna mend that up today with some zip tie stitching. And we just gave it a wash. Got a new battery I'm going to put into it, and we're going to put this baby up for sale. When I picked it up last season, it ran just great. Started easy, drove around well. There's the Honda 9 horse. So that's a single cylinder engine, guys. It's a 4-stroke air-cooled 9 horsepower it was. That's your fuel tank. That's where the battery sits, right there. We've got a new one, so we're gonna throw it in, and then I'll make a quick clip of this thing driving around, spinning the blades. I've already listed it on Marketplace. I'll throw it onto Craigslist, Kijiji, Let Go, a few other buy and sell websites. It's the season of selling rider mowers, and I've got a few to sell, which brings me to a big surprise we've got for you guys. Keep watching these videos, and you're gonna see something that will blow your socks off. Probably in about a week or so, we'll drop the bomb. All right, thanks for watching. Hey guys, so we're just outside. We put a new battery in this thing, right there, and put some gas in it, and then just did a little repair on the bagger kit, right here. Did a little stitch job, so that's fixed now. And I was just driving her around in a circle, and the key broke off inside the ignition, so we're gonna have to deal with that. It's a Cole Hersey key, so we should be able to find something like it, but it still works, so don't worry. But anyway, so what you gotta do is put it on choke, and this is your ignition, so that's on. And then you can kind of just catch the edge of the key on the ignition and turn it, kind of there. So there you go. Aside from that key breaking off, we're good. So I'm going to list this baby up for sale and start working on the next one. That's the little Honda HT-R 3009 machine. Thanks for watching.